Yo, what up YouTube BX? It's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as only using me tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black to the blue on my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy, so I'm back with another video for you guys right now, and basically what I want to be doing right now is showing you guys some of the issues you may be having. So I have both the Legion Go 2 Z2 16 gigabytes, and I also have the Legion Go 2 Z2 Extreme 32 gigabytes. So there's been some problems with the 16 gigabyte Z2 model with discoloration and wash down and stuff like that. If you did your calibrations correctly, you shouldn't have the problems with it. It's just some things you may have to do on it to get the colors correctly. You might have to go into the settings and switch up some of the colors things on there. If you calibrated your stuff correctly, shouldn't have that problems. But on mine's, if you keep your brightness to 100%, yeah, the colors is going to look washed out. As you can see right here on the Dragon Ball Z Sparking Zero logo right here, it kind of look like it's washed out. It's because I got this literally set at what was 100%. Let me turn my TDP all the way up. Kind of like change that up real quick. I normally keep mine at 92%, but as you can see right here, that's washed out. A lot of people keep their brightness at 100%. I do too. And it's something you shouldn't do because it just makes everything really bright. So what you should do is keep it at least at 82%. Try to get that right there. So 82%, as you can see, it looks a little bit better. So right here, the reason why the colors look kind of washed out right now is because I didn't have my exposure. I just had to zoom in on it real quick to get that brightness down. But yeah, that's what it looks like now. As you can see, it went from like an orange color to red. So now that's the color it would look like. Normally I would keep this thing at 92% right there. Set up, as you can see, the red right here for the Sparking Zero is a deep red right now, so you can tell that it's not washed out. 100% is there, but I wouldn't do it all the way. Normally what I would do is I would like bring my settings down like this so you guys can actually see the true colors, so it won't be too bright like that. So we're just going to focus on that part right there. We're going to keep it like this until we get to the actual video. So I need to move this over, open up my browser real quick so we can bring over the video. Let's go back to the videos that I originally had. So let's go back to history, 2 tabs, restore. Should have restored that already, so let's do that. History, history, we'll do that one, and we're going to this one to bring up the other one. I don't know why it's doing this one, so I'm gonna do that one right there. I'm sorry guys, like that I had everything set up, but I had to do a fast reset real quick. So let's bring down these colors real quick. All right, there we go. I'm not playing the video because we don't want to get a copyright claim or strike, whatever like that. Let's hit this right here. Make sure this is in 2160 by right there. Just pop this up. Okay, so we want to do is just want to scroll. We want to get towards. First one we want to do is actually this right there. So that's the first one we want to do right here, just to show you guys right there. Sequence, push it over. Come on, push it over. Am I playing the video? Okay, there we go. Stop the video. All right, right here, perfect. This is perfect right here. So this is basically what the colors is. I'm just gonna hit this off right that, just so you guys can see. So this is basically when I said colors set to 100%. If you put it at 82%, this is what the color profile look like right there. Let's just turn it down a little bit more so you guys can actually see the color pop. So this is what it looks like. This is being recorded on my iPhone 17 Pro at 60 frames per second, 4K with HDR on. So when you play this video, make sure you're watching in 4K with HDR on, and also watch it on your Legion Go 2. If you have your things calibrated correctly, you should see the actual good colors and stuff on here from what you've seen in the video. So this is at 82%. If I put it towards 92%, that's what it looks like. If I put it at 100%, that's what that looks like right there. We're gonna go to another part of the video, which is gonna be her face glowing. Get over here. We need that glowing part of the video. Where is it? Come on. There we go. We want that part right there. There we go. There we go. So here we go right here. I'm going to change the settings right here. 100%, too much brightness. Here we go, 80%. Now you can see the darker blacks and stuff like that. If I turn the brightness up on my camera, you can see how it is. It's kind of like out of focus like that. It's too much of that. So try to focus on a spot. Let's bring down this brightness right here. So this is, I'm gonna show you what I'm seeing. So this is what I see on my ROG. I'm sorry, my Legion Go 2 Z2 Extreme 32 gigabytes. So this is exactly what I see on from my eyes, what you see on the camera. This is how I'm seeing the background right now. Is brightness popping out like that, right? If I put it to 92%, that's how I'm seeing it right now. It's popping out a little bit brighter. So that's what it is, right? So I'm gonna show you another option you can actually do real quick. So we're gonna leave this video on the way how it is right now. I'm gonna just open up, where did I put it at? It should be right here. There we go. So if you're having problems with washout and stuff like that, just go to the AMD software, go here, go to display, and just turn this setting on right here, which is OLED power optimization. And once you turn that on real quick, you're gonna see a difference inside the video. So let's just move this over a little bit. Look at this. So we're gonna just turn this on real quick. As you can see, you get more, which that black is supposed to be black, like her face is between black and blue. You turn it on, you get more color like that. So you shouldn't say that it's washed out a little bit more. So let's just move this out the way, and let's get out of the video real quick. Do this real fast, move this over, minimize that, do that, minimize that. So this is what it looks like when you do that. This is what it looks like at 93, which I normally keep it at 92. So that's what it looks like. So if I bring it down to 82%, there you go right there. It's no longer popping out, but then it's extra vibrant like that. It looks HDR, but it's just too vibrant, too much colors. And if you put the colors out, it's super bright. It's just, everything's just too, should I say exposed? It just has too much. It's just too much colors. It's too vibrant. So I wouldn't even rock with this right there. I wouldn't even keep that on. But if you think that the colors is not popping, throw this on, and it might help you from the way how it looks. Same thing happens if I use Lively wallpapers. Now this is going to crash. It's going to crash my own Windows right now because Lively wallpapers does have some conflicts and stuff right now with the Legion. As you see what just happened. Let's just close that down real quick. So there we go right there, with the colors, 100%, 92%, 82% right there. I normally keep mine at 92, right there, right there. And let's just open it up, move this over to the side, just so you guys can see the colors real quick. So move it down, just look at her face, and if I click that off, see how it's there. It's still, you still get the colors right there. It's just, this gives it a little bit more darker, and that's just the way how it is. Just a little bit darker like that. It's not really washed out. It's just, this adds more depth into the colors. That's, I mean, it's good, but if you do a recording and you do your recordings back and look at it, you'll notice that it's gonna be too dark and washed out and stuff like that. When you do it like this, it's just perfect like that, leaving like that. So if you set your calibrations right, this is how your screen should literally look, just like this. Like I said, there is a known problem going on with the Legion Go Z2 16 gigabyte problems with that particular model. But if you have the Z2 Extreme 32 gigabytes, yours should look like this. It should be popping. Let's just put it up, but this is how it looks. Shouldn't have no problems like that because mine's work perfectly fine. I game in HDR sometimes. Yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys later. I'm gonna actually download some Alan Wake 2 on here and just play some games. Like Dragon Ball Z Spark and Zero look crazy on here. I'm not gonna cap, it looks wild on here, and I actually love it. So I'm gonna catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. Whoa.